Hey guys, so this is really fucking crazy and I wanted to share. If you guys have been following my series, I essentially trained a ChatGPT 4 model to give me stock market predictions. And not only is a ChatGPT 4 model, but this is actually the new Omni model that got released, I think, about a day or two ago at OpenAI's event, right? So I actually had the old model, the whole ChatGPT 4 model that's extremely accurate, and this is the new ChatGPT 4 model that's running on their new like Omni their Omni thing. So I did want to go back into FFIE, right? I did get a lot of requests initially, and if you go back to I think a couple of videos, FFIE on the monthly chart, right? It does say that it was going up to like a ridiculous price of like $5, right? Which I would understand why because you do have a little bit of resistance up there, but I wanted to revisit after we had that drop from $2 to like $1. And I wanted to go on the 24-hour chart to see what it actually thinks it's going to do, possibly within the next 2 weeks to like maybe a month, right? Because this does run on 20 intervals. And then wanted to see what it pushed out. So it actually gave a target price of $2. So, right, you can see here it says the predicted level is $2 using the following formula, right? And it's looking for a retest of $2, right? Then if we look at the FFIE chart, right? If you look at the FFIE chart, you actually see that did we actually hit? I think we actually hit $2. Yeah, at the highest we were actually at 385. So it actually thinks we're gonna go back to $2, and then from there, I don't know if it's gonna keep pushing up or go lower, right? So that's your predicted price. Like I said, I didn't want to go back to FFIE. Overall, on the monthly, I think longer term, it thinks that it's going to go to $5. Shorter term, it thinks that it's going to recover back to $2. And again, this one specifically, this model's been, pretty accurate on Bitcoin and SPX, BABA, PLTR, Snow, INTC. It's currently looking for Meta 500 and what is it called? And Shop $60, somewhere around there. I'm gonna start and then Tesla. I just did Tesla and I think it's looking for like a 190 Tesla. So I'm gonna start doing some more regular stocks for you guys just to kind of give you an example of what it tends how of what it tends to do on a better scale of stocks that aren't like meme stocks, right? Because it's been ridiculously accurate for like 98% of the stuff, right? Which is kind of insane. Some people are mentioning like comparing the accuracy to like Aladdin. I have no fucking idea what Aladdin is. I haven't really done my research on what Aladdin does. I'm pretty sure that's a crazy, ridiculously like huge quant model. Yeah, you probably have like all these like huge fucking companies running. Maybe I think it's Palantir. I'm not sure who's doing that model, but yeah, yeah, that's pretty much it. Also, quick plug. I just released a book on Amazon if anybody wants it. It's called Investing with the Secret Indicators of the Rich, the indicators that used to catch the bottom of the stock market, and it's volume 1, right? And this is nothing to do with my actual, what is it called? With the actual, fucking like the chart that I have or the script that I have running, right, for ChatGPT 4. This is basically the indicators that I use which are really fucking amazing, by the way. And to give you an example, we can run SPY on the weekly. I'll show you guys, right? Quick plug, right? It's basically an easy way to catch the bottoms of anything in the market. And if you guys are in the Patreon, you guys already know how to use them. But it's you're buying whenever the green bubble is under the midline and the stochastic is at low, right? So again, look at that. Every single time you would have bought on SPY, you would have been able to catch these super, super lows on your portfolio, right? Like right here, you would have bought right there. You would have bought right there, right? You would have caught the bottom of the 2020 market drop, right? During COVID, right? You would have bought around that area, right? Same thing around here. You would have bought SPY. Again, SPY is your major index, right? You would have bought right there, around that area. Same thing here. You would have bought around here with that green bubble showing up around here. Again, it's ridiculously accurate. I wanted to shoot a quick plug just to get my marketing and stuff going because I have no idea what I should be doing. I just kind of posted it on Amazon just to see how it fucking does. And it's written more as like documentation for my daughter really than anything else. So yeah, quick plug on that. But the more important part is, yeah, I'm going to keep doing these. If you guys have any other stocks that you guys want me to do, feel free to drop them in the chat. I think the next one up is going to be Barnes & Noble, as well as maybe like 2 other ones that I'll probably release later today. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.